Back in action, we back in the action. What the fuck? Got into my lens. Anyway, man, I want to get into this shit real quick. Like Selena Gomez on my dick, we about to have a kid. By God, I hope she doesn't grow up twitching, because I was born with Tourette's, and hopefully she doesn't get it from me. Bars! Sorry, I had to do that. I see Tony D2 Wild always fucking barring out in his videos. No, you're not, bro. You're sucking dick on street corners. Sorry. I actually apologize for that, man. I really look up to him. Please don't take anything that I say literally, because if you ever wanted to collab, that'd be really great. Pussy! Yeah. Am I right, boys? Whoa! Fuck! Of course, some fucking kids. Always. Anyway, man, let's get into real nitty-gritty shit on this video, bruh. Fucking awesome word. Love that. Of course, y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time. If you guys are here for free shit, this is the video to click on. Now, as y'all see by the title of the video, this is an updated fake sneaker collection. Now, I know what you're thinking. NameBran, you're doing whatever YouTuber does. You don't have any content for today. AKA fucking collection video. Now, yes, little Timmy, you fucking retard, you are correct. However, this video is also coming because you guys have been asking for it. And I'm actually also trying to get rid of a lot of shit in my room, and generally with my fake sneakers that I don't use anymore, because I just usually use one of the shoes and the other one I got nothing to do with. I just like fucking throw them out. However, y'all are stupid enough to want one shoe. It's really weird. People are like, hey man, I'll buy that one shoe from you. So without further ado, boys, you're gonna get into the updated $100,000 fake sneaker collection. No clickbait. This shit is fucking rocking. And if you guys want any of these shoes in this video, it's just gonna be the one shoe, because the other shoe is either already customized or I need it for customs in the future. Y'all hit me up on Instagram. That's the only way I will reply, and y'all just gotta pay shipping. That's all there is to it. I want to hook you guys up with some fucking shit that you don't need, to be honest. Also, before I get started, I do not promote fake tits, nor do I promote fake sneakers. This is just what I do for customs and videos, so if YouTube are watching, fuck off! So we've done this in the past, as I said, but I have gotten a lot of new stuff, and I do want to give you guys a chance to be able to get this stuff. I'm really trying to clean shit out. First off, we're going to start with a $50,000 shoe. The rest of the shoes are worth like $5,000 a piece. That's how it gets to $100,000. No clickbait. Blah, we got the Supreme Air Max right here, boys. I am just gonna give this motherfucker away. These things are so lit. I do not promote fakes. However, this is one fake that I will promote because everyone knows it's fake, and it says Supreme on it. If y'all can see right there, it's fucking hilarious. It's horrendous, and I think it looks like period blood. Score. Next up, boys, I don't even know if I showed this in my last sneaker collection video, but this one's kind of fucking lit, and honestly, I don't have a custom for this, so I just might give up both pairs. I'm trying to look at how to turn the bitch on. Hold on one second. Bitch! Oh, here we go. We got the fucking light ups, boys. It says TM on it. That's weird. I don't know why it says that. I can't remember what these are called, but I got them off IOFFER. I can't remember where I got them, but they're kind of fucking shitty, and if anyone wants a pair of these, go fucking home. Just kidding, just hit me up. But yeah, these ones are fucking lit, and don't know why you guys like fake sneaker collections, but hey, I'm gonna bring you guys whatever you want. Dick pics coming at 100,000 followers on Instagram. Go hit that button. I got a fucking wiener. Next up, boys, this is one I actually really want to give away. It's the Supreme pipe that I made. Once again, I don't promote fake sneakers, but I do promote this one. I think this Yeezy is absolutely a must. I think you can wear this without people laughing at you because it's just such a stupid looking fake, and it's awesome. But as y'all can see with this custom, what I do here is I go like this. I add a little bowl of weed, and then you smoke out the shoe. So that's a little custom we did here. If any of y'all are into that shit, which I do not recommend, I only take it because I don't know how to handle my emotions. As y'all can tell, it kind of calms me down a little bit. Then y'all can smoke up with the Supreme Yeezy. It's lit. I don't know how many I've actually showed in the collection in the past, but I do have a lot of new ones, and for some reason you guys want to see this, so bear with me. Also, somewhere in this video, I'm gonna give one of these sneakers for free, and you guys won't have to pay shipping. I'm saying this because I want more watch time, which gives us more money. I'm only gonna be real with y'all. Next up, this one's kind of new, man. Now, this is a really bad fake. I got this off Wish for like 10 bucks, and I'm gonna do a custom with the other one. I really wanted to actually ask you guys what kind of custom we should make with this, whether we do a soul swap with the actual like Yeezy V2, or if I just shove it up my ass in a video and call it a day. But we got the 700 right here. This thing is absolutely horrendous. It looks like my grandma's fucking vagina. However, that's something I love because I love my grandma. Well, I don't love it. That sounds bad. I love every part of anyone that I love. That's, wow, fuck. But that's a 750, boys. Fucking lit. You guys leave thumbs up down below. It's actually what you have to do. If you want any of these fucking sneakers, please leave a thumbs up down below. Hey, man, y'all ever take a brick to the face? No? Well, you want to take a brick to your girlfriend's face who's been cheating on you? Got the perfect shoe for your boys right here. We got the Balenciagas. In the video, I wasn't actually sure if they were fake, but a lot of people told me they were, so I took the L. And yeah, I've jacked off in this one a couple times, so if you guys want spare semen, definitely just hit me up for this shoe. It says 45 on it because that is the age of my mother. Another one we got right here, man. I'm actually just gonna give this full pair away. I don't have any customs I want to do with these. A company just hit me up with these. I think they're actually real Vans, but they're custom off-whites. So we got the little tag right there that says pussy, and then we have a blue little mark right there, and at the back, once again, I think these are real Vans. You guys let me know with legit checks, but these are really dope. It's just not something I would wear. So if anyone wants these, just literally pay for shipping. We got off-white on the inside. Once again, I have both pairs of these. I think they're kind of dope. However, they're from a company called Clout Drop, and I've been seeing them posting me saying, hey, these sneakers are fucking dope all over Instagram. They're putting out ads. They're getting hundreds of thousands of views, and guess who didn't get paid for it? Me. Unfucking imaginable how pissed off I was when I saw that. Actually, I didn't care. I'm really all about the views. So I was like, hey, 100,000 more people have seen my dumbass on Instagram promoting shoes that aren't that good. Ask me how much I care. I really don't, but I should. We got this one that says Preem. If you guys match it up with a fucking fake Gucci slide, you might look like the biggest loser ever, and that's probably what I would do with this if I wasn't giving it away. Got the Supreme slide right here. I should tell you guys prices of how much I got. These ones are like $2 on eBay. Hey man, these things have to be the greatest things that I've ever purchased in my life. However, my dog just destroyed them, as I said on Instagram, but I actually did it with a custom. We got the real, as y'all can see, Nike Air Max right here, customized by NameBran. I've thrown them in a swimming pool. I've worn them to every single sneaker con I can think of. I don't know if I can actually give these away. I really don't, because these things are just absolutely awesome. I have a ball sack right there. This is what I drew, and it also says sample. A couple you haven't seen, actually, this is gonna be the giveaway right here. We have the Bape. This is the exact same ones from Clout Drop. Once again, I don't really fuck with these dudes because they didn't really ask me to use my ad on Instagram, so I'm giving these away. Once again, I think they're real Vans, and that's what I really want down below. You guys really let me know down below if they are real or fake, and I will be picking those comments only if you thumbs up and hit the notification bell and subscribe. Are pretty dope. Like, they're just fucking Bape all around it. Got the other pair of that, so I will be shipping these out to one of you guys for free. That's the only shoe I'll ship out for free, but they're pretty fucking dope. They're fake, and I don't really rock with Bape. I think it looks stupid, but I think one of you guys might enjoy it for sure. Oh, I'm hot, man. I feel like I just hopped in Selena Gomez's vagina and had to dip out real quick because I started coming through my mouth, and I got scared. You guys have not seen in a little while, and this is actually a custom that I did a little while ago. As you guys can see, there's a tint of pink because I put fucking Pepto-Bismol on it because I thought that was a good idea. We got the off-white ones right here. Somebody sent these to me, and that was a very ridiculous video because they pretended that they were actually off-white, sending me sample sneakers, and then I got these. So if anyone wants these, I actually have the second pair of this too, unless I do a custom. It might just be the one. These ones are really dope, man. I fucking dig them. If they put these out, honestly, I'd sell my soul to the devil, which is Selena Gomez, and then I'd lay her. God, I love her so much. If you guys haven't seen my Instagram story today, everyone's photoshopping pictures of me and the one they call Selena Gomez. So if you guys haven't checked that out, it's really dope. There's so many pictures of me and her on the internet now, and that was my goal. And when she sees me, I'm gonna show her the whole photo book of all these Photoshop images you guys gave me, and I'm like, yo, babe, we've met like 15, 20 times. You just don't remember, but I've been here for you, and I will be here for you, and honestly, if you want to be fucking felt on your boob, if you want me to just do this, I'll do it now, and I'll fucking enjoy it. Anyway, getting a little off track. We got the Yeezy off-whites right here. It's fucking lit. Y'all can't tell I'm gonna fuck about this video. I'm trying to get rid of shit, but I'm also trying to have a fun time with y'all, which I am having. We got the off-white Jordan 1s right here, never released in this blue colorway. We got the orange tick right there, which in other countries, the orange tick means vagina growths, which I think they added that for a little bit of extra flair on the sneaker. I really, really dig that. It also comes with different laces, but these things are fucking horrendous. I've already laid my balls on them right here, as you guys can see, because they're kind of creased, but they have a nice little spun. It's a good fucking feeling. Just a quick little video for you guys today, trying to get rid of some stock. I appreciate you guys so much for watching another demonetized video from NameBran. Listen up, boys. I try to get money off the fucking ads. However, if I have to censor myself, then it's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? I could be making so much more money than I am right now, but I'm here for you guys, and I'm here to just tell it how it is. I see a pack of silica gel right here, and I might eat that in a second. Once I finish this, I won't. Don't actually do that. There's bad I don't promote that. I appreciate y'all for watching NameBran fans. Real show. I'm working the game, the greatest of all time. I'm going to try to get out as many videos as I can for you guys this week. If you made it to the end of this video, comment 2. We've done this before. Comment the word 2 with 3 O's beside it, and don't uppercase it, or else people know, like, hey man, you fuck it, or like this is part of a giveaway. So 2 with 3 O's, and that'll also have a better chance for you to get the big sneakers that I just showed, because I want the people that actually are interested in watching the whole video to win this shit, not somebody who just clicked on it to win. So that's what it is. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hit the follow button on Instagram, and that's how I will be replying for you guys. First come, first serve. Wow.